Have you ever wondered why you feel so good when you're surrounded by plants? It's not just your imagination. Indoor plants aren't just pretty decorations. They're living, breathing companions that can change our lives. We spend so much time indoors, but our souls crave connection with nature. Indoor plants bridge the gap between our modern lives and our innate need for greenery. I remember when I first started bringing plants into my home. Suddenly, my space felt more alive, more vibrant. And I felt more alive too. They don't just sit there looking pretty. They interact with us, grow and change. You don't need a green thumb to enjoy the benefits of indoor plants. Whether you live in a tiny apartment or a sprawling house, there's a plant out there for you. So, are you ready to join the green revolution? Let's dive in and explore the wonderful world of indoor plants together. Let's talk about what indoor plants can do for our minds. Studies have shown that being around plants can reduce stress and anxiety. Indoor plants have been linked to improved mood and increased productivity. Research shows that having plants in the workplace reduced tension and anxiety by 37%. And employees were 15% more productive when their offices were filled with plants. So whether you're working on a big project or just trying to get through your daily to-do list, having some plants around could be the secret weapon you've been looking for. Now, let's get physical. Indoor plants aren't just good for our minds, they're great for our bodies too. The air inside our homes can be up to 5 times more polluted than the air outside. Plants are nature's air purifiers, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Many indoor plants can also filter out harmful toxins from the air. NASA found that certain plants are particularly good at cleaning the air, like spider plants, peace lilies, and snake plants. Cleaner air means better overall health, fewer headaches, less fatigue, and even improved sleep. Some studies suggest that indoor plants can help reduce the risk of certain respiratory problems. By bringing plants into our homes, we're not just decorating, we're investing in our health and well-being. Section 4. Getting started with your indoor garden. Anyone can be a plant parent. It just takes a little knowledge and a lot of love. Start with hardy, low-maintenance plants like snake plants, pothos, and ZZ plants. It's about finding plants that fit your lifestyle and your space. Every plant needs light, but some need more than others. Assess your home's light conditions. Don't worry if you don't have a lot of natural light. There are plenty of plants that can thrive in low light conditions. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes new plant parents make. It's better to underwater than overwater. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it's still moist, wait a few days and check again. See? It's not so complicated after all. Section 5. Nurturing your green companions. You've chosen your plants and know the basics of care. Now, help your green friends thrive. Many indoor plants are tropical and love a bit of moisture in the air. If your home is dry, consider misting your plants or using a humidifier. Grouping plants together creates a microclimate, like they're looking out for each other. Feeding your plants is important. A general-purpose houseplant fertilizer will do the trick. Don't overdo it. A little bit every month during the growing season is usually enough. Talking to your plants might sound silly, but it can actually help. When we talk, we exhale carbon dioxide, which plants love. Plus, it encourages us to really look at our plants and notice if they need anything. So go ahead, have a chat with your green friends. They're great listeners. Section 6. Embracing the power of indoor plants. Imagine your space filled with lush, vibrant plants. Imagine the fresh, clean air you're breathing. Imagine the sense of calm and joy that washes over you as you look at your thriving indoor garden. Indoor plants are more than just decorations. They transform our homes and our lives. They clean our air, boost our mood, increase our productivity, and connect us to nature. You don't need a huge space or a lot of money. Just a willingness to learn and a little bit of love. Start small if you need to. Even one plant can make a difference. Experience the joy and the countless benefits that come with being a plant parent. Let's embrace the power of indoor plants and create a greener, healthier, happier world. One plant at a time.